Okay, today we're going to do a video demo of a Dedtru Centerless grinder. Dedtru actually manufactures this Dedtru Centerless grinding attachment that goes on to a surface grinder. In this case it's a Harrig. This is a Harrig that is actually produced or sold to Dedtru, and they make this machine to their specifications. So the table is different than a regular surface grinder, and there's a through hole so that the long through feed pieces can go through here, and generally you have a more powerful horsepower motor. I believe this motor is 3 horsepower, and this is a Pope spindle. It's a very good spindle. Alright, so you have that. You have your Accurite Quadra-Check DRO on here just for the 2 axes, the cross slide moving in and out, and the vertical going up and down. And you can see there we're missing a digit, but that will be repaired. Let's see here, the cross slide. This machine is a manual machine. In other words, everything here you're turning by hand. Your table, it's not hydraulic. You set your stops, and you set your safety spot. There's sliding dogs under here, but primarily you can set your depth of your grind, and then you come into it up to a stop, or some people grind down to a certain diameter. Of course, this could be set up in lots of configurations for lots of different parts. This particular model, a C6, has a 6-inch wide regulating wheel. That means you can grind parts up to 6 inches wide, or areas on parts that are 6 inches wide. And these parts are all available for different accessories and different setups from Dedtru. There's different wheel guards you can purchase. There's different length, different wheels. You can gang wheels together. You can put different wheels with spacers. You can put extra wide wheels. So we're going to turn this on now. We'll start the spindle. That's your grinding wheel. The controls down here are for the Dedtru unit. You have a forward, and you have a reverse. And you have a variable speed control knob here on the front panel. You can adjust the speed. And then of course you would have some tooling here to support your workpiece, and then you could come down on it and grind the part. There's also a stone, a dresser mounted in the rear of the machine. You would have to move it over so you can get the wheel above there, and that's where you would dress off the wheel. There's also an adapter here to run coolant through. There's a couple different spots where you have coolant flow through these flex lock link hoses. This is the coolant system. There's a submersible type, like a small, you put a little giant type pump in there, and it pumps fluid up from that tank. The DRO here is the cross slide, and we don't know right now. There's a little problem there, which maybe we're going to be able to fix.